Aquaguard Classic. This complete water purification system with E-boiling plus destroys all known disease-causing bacteria and virus. It gives you water as pure and as safe as water boiled for 20 minutes, plus more. Special features: it has advanced 3-stage purification systems which destroys disease-causing bacteria, virus and protozoa. The E-boiling plus technology of Aquaguard ensures that every drop of water is as pure, as safe as water boiled for 20 minutes. Intelligent purity sensor system of Aquaguard continuously scans water to give 100% pure water or no water. Mineral guard of Aquaguard produces electronic impulses to prevent scaling of the quartz tube, thereby ensuring that precious minerals and nutrients are retained in the water.